So there may come a time when you have been asked to get a particular number of posts to put into a gallery, to create into a new gallery. And because you've only taken 50% or roughly 50% from one particular page, you need to be able to add to that particular gallery by getting content from another page. So it's quite easily done. It's the same process as before. So you just go into dogs, in this example, or the example that we're using in the video. Okay, you can then press go to the talking about count and then update the basket. Let's do a whole lot of dogs this time. Okay, and just go scrolling up, going into the baskets, into dogs, and then we'll type the name of the page, whole lot of dogs, and we're going to create a report. Name the report in the same fashion that you were doing yesterday, dogs, or in my previous video, dogs. Today is the 3rd, 7/14, put my initials. Okay, making sure that we've selected post pictures and videos from the page and only photos, and let's put it up to the maximum for now, the maximum defined. Going to do the custom range as we did before. We're going to move it back for 2 months. 2 months is perfect. Okay, and there we go. 2 months, 5th of May. That's where we want it from. Okay, and then just press apply, and it's going to create that report. So let's just copy that over. Okay, and I'm going to go into the reports from this tab here. I'm going to put the type of the name of the report, and here we go, it's ready again. So I'm just going to click in, open it up, and it takes a couple of minutes for it to scroll down. So, okay, 186 photos, say, I think this may even be the one that we used yesterday. In fact, it is the one we used yesterday, but for this example, let's pretend that it isn't. Okay, so imagine that we've got rid of all of those other posts. We've taken the best 50%, so broadly speaking in this one, it would be 100, okay? Then we'd save the report again, save as a new report. We've captioned everything properly, new, and then put the date, okay, and then the word final, okay, and then put it into the basket. I'm not actually going to put this in because I need to find another one, okay, save. Then remember, when we want to pick up this report, we are going to go, you can either click directly on the link here, or you can go into baskets and find it. As it's here, just click the link. And then it's the same process as the previous video, so you can add this sorted gallery, this captioned gallery that you've just worked on, into the gallery, this sorted report into the gallery that you created in the last video. And because I haven't created another gallery since, it is still the last one. So you'd just press that and then basically go through the same process that you went through yesterday. And what that will do is that will add all of your sorted photos into the same gallery. So you're not creating multiple galleries for one particular niche. And that's quite important because once they're in a gallery, it becomes hard to move them from gallery to gallery. Okay, so if you've been set a task of, say, getting 400 dog photos, you are going to have to get them from different pages in order to get the best ones from each of the different sources, but we will want them to go into the same gallery. So hence why I'm taking this time to explain this step to you. That's it. Thank you very much for listening. As